Hello everyone. If you are new to my channel, this is Recipe Channel. Today we are going to make delicious refined flour puri. Let's see the ingredients. Let's see the ingredients. 5 gram salt or 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of carom seeds, ajwain in Hindi. 1 cup refined flour. Refined flour 1 cup. Half cup water as well as oil to fry all puris in it. Let's make the dough first. Add carom seeds. Add salt. Now add water in it. Add water little by little. Let's knead the dough. Let's mix all together. Let's knead the dough. So our dough is ready. Let's take dry flour and sprinkle it on rolling board. We are going to roll it now. Sprinkle dry refined flour on rolling board. Make balls of the dough. Four balls of dough are ready. So I have rolled the dough ball in circle shape. Now let's cut the puris. Take any lead, circular round lead. Just press it like this and cut it. See. It's round. Roll it in round shape just like this with the help of rolling board and rolling pin. Later, cut circles with any small round lid. If you have fork, do it just like this on each puri. And even if you don't have fork, just don't worry. You have knife. So, cut just like this in between. See, just like this. Do it with knife. Why we are doing this? Because we don't want this puri to puff in oil. That's why we are doing this. Heat oil in fry pan or kadhai. Big dip fry pan or kadhai. Let's check if oil is hot. Oops. Let's fry the puris in hot oil. Oil should be hot. It's ready. Brown color. Puri should be crispy. This is ready. Fry the remaining puris in hot oil. Fry remaining puris in hot oil. So I have fried remaining puris in hot oil, and now the refined flour puris are ready to eat. I have served it. You can eat it with chai or you can eat it with chaat, sev puri or dahi batata puri. This puri can be used in that chaat. So I am going to show you sev puri in my next video. Check the description box for refined flour puris ingredients, and you must try my upma recipe too. Its link in the description box. Please check it out and subscribe to my channel. Stay positive. You can do it. See you in my next video. Hello everyone. If you are new to my channel, this is Recipe Channel, and today we are going to make delicious chaat recipe, that is sev puri. So let's see the ingredients. Fried puris just like this, 12. 5 small size potatoes or 3 medium size potatoes, boiled. Sev puri chaat, take 4 potatoes, rinse it well, wash it thoroughly and scrub it, and then you have to boil it or pressure cook it for 3 whistles in pressure cooker. Add salt in water while boiling these potatoes. 1 tomato, 1 onion, few coriander leaves. Let's chop it now. Let's chop the onion. Chop onion finely. We will also need date chutney, and if you want you can have coriander spicy chutney of coriander and mint, that is green chutney. And Let's chop tomatoes now. Chop the tomatoes finely. So chopped tomato is ready, chopped onion is ready, as well as we have chopped coriander leaves. Now we need to mash potatoes, and we are going to need Bengal gram flour fried noodles, that is sev. Fried Bengal gram noodles, that is nylon sev, chopped tomato, chopped onion, chopped coriander leaves, and chopped and boiled potatoes. Let's assemble all in that fried puris to make the sev puri, and we will need date chutney, and if you like spicy you can add coriander and mint green chutney, which is spicy chutney. Take 6 fried puris and then above it put some mashed potatoes, boiled mashed potatoes, then add chopped onion, and later add chopped tomato, and later add some chopped coriander leaves on it. And now I am going to add date chutney on it. If you like spicy, you can add coriander and mint green chutney. Add a pinch of salt in mashed potatoes. Just remember that. And our sev puri chaat is ready now. I have sprinkled some nylon sev above it, that is fried Bengal gram flour noodles above it. So our delicious sev puri chaat is ready now. You can serve it in starter too. It's the best chaat. You can make dahi puri chaat just like this. Just add little bit dahi, that is curd, above it instead of any chutney, and add little bit of sugar in curd, so it will give you sweet taste. Check the description box for this sev puri's ingredients, and you must try my cottage cheese pasta recipe too, as well as upma recipe too. Its link in the description box. Please check it out and subscribe to my channel. Stay positive, you can do it. See you in my next video.